Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about reusability of PHP files. We can include the content of a PHP file into another PHP file before the server executes it. We can create functions, headers, footers, or elements that can be reused on multiple pages. There are two PHP functions which can be used to include one PHP file into another PHP file. Let's create a new file, reusability.php. And let's create another file, usefulfile.php. Let's make some functions here. Function stars $i is equals to 1 and $i less than equals to 10 and $i plus plus. And here we will create an error. Replace this 10 with k, not with $k, just only k. Let's include this file into reusability.php. So the include usefulfile.php and call the method stars. Let's check this. And here you can see that we have warning use of undefined constant k at line number 5. So now change this k to $k. And here is the result. This helps developers to make it easy to change the layout of complete website with minimal effort. If there is any change required, then instead of changing thousands of files, just change include file. We can also use include once. Include once will throw a warning but will not stop PHP from executing the rest of the script. And require. And require once. Require once will throw an error and will stop PHP from executing the rest of the script. And if we rename the file to something else, then here you can see that require once warning failed to open stream at line 3. The require function takes all the text in a specified file and copies it into the file that uses the include function. If there is any problem in loading a file, then the require function generates a fatal error and halt the execution of the script. And if we change this to include once, then you can see that the warning is include once, no such file or directory, but it is still executing the code and producing errors called to undefined function. The include function takes all the text in a specified file and copies it into the file that uses the include function. If there is any problem in loading a file, then the include function generates a warning, but the script will continue execution. There is no difference in require and include except they handle error conditions. it is recommended to use the require function instead of include, because scripts should not continue executing if files are missing or misnamed. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.